Yeah.
You finally found the mover?
Yeah.
Already.
Great. What's he still getting it on?
Get it on.
Yes. He enjoys that.
Get it.
Zoom in. Oh yes. Feel the pleasure. Look at his orgasming face.
Oh!
Oh my god.
See? He's still going. Oh, he's off now.
Oh, sorry.
That's not a pain sound.
Ah, that really hurt.
He did it so much it hurt himself.
Take Kyle's comfy. Kyle, do a comfy.
All over the table. What? It should come on my face.
All over the table.
Oh, that's sick. Yo.
We didn't rub it into the table.
Nelly, sit down. We're moving, Nelly.
What are you doing?
Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Look at you. Show your teeth. Show your teeth.
No.
Your empty teethless teeth.
Waka 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 waka
Oh God. Let's go back to the tap. Kyle's testicles.
Is he wearing trousers?
Who?
I'm not. Don't look! Don't look! Sorry.
My cut.
Sorry. It's not what you were saying last night.
Oh yes, now he's hard.
I know.
Now he's hard. With his nipples.
Mountain nipples. Yeah, what's that ugly thing?
Now he's hard.
Yeah.
With his nipples.
She ain't got nipples.
Did you say she hasn't got nipples?
Wow, that'd be so creepy not having nipples.
Why do men have nipples?
So we can breastfeed our women to breastfeed our kids.
So can play with them.
No, but seriously, why do men have nipples?
So we can nipple couple.
I think that's God's. That wasn't God's intention.
There you go, Ryan.
Oh yeah.
So evil.
That's what you get.
Put him in the company.
Put him in the what?
That's your cum. Drinking the cum.
La la.